Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to create text with zoom in and fade out effects in CapCut. So here you just need to prepare your text, and in here I'm using my video captions. And to add the zoom in effect, you just need to go to animation. So click on the caption and go to animation, and under the in category find the zoom in option. So just scroll down until you find zoom in. Okay, this one, click on that and adjust the durations to your liking, and please make sure that you apply to all of the captions. And for the fade out, click on out and find fade out, this one, and adjust it like that, and click on the check icon, and then you are done. So this will be the result. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. Bye.